You guys, I just got the cutest necklace from Quan Jewelry here on the TikTok shop. And it's a little camera necklace, and it says on the charm, keep good memories. It's so adorable. If you have a photographer in your life, this is literally the perfect gift you can get them. It also comes with a cute quote right here. Focus on what is important, capture the good times, develop from the negatives, and if things don't work out, take another shot. This is so perfect. I'm a photographer, so I'm literally in love with this. So let's open it together. Okay, the packaging on this is literally adorable. So here is the necklace up close. Look how cute that is. It also comes with an envelope as well. And then a bigger envelope. Let's see what's inside of this. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so it looks like you can write a letter. And then it has a cute little pocket right here. And then it comes with their business card, which is so cute. Look at her puppy. It's adorable. And then this is her information right here. If you need any jewelry, take a screenshot of that. Okay, and also in the envelope is a little booklet here, and it shows like all the different jewelry she has on her shop. Again, it's Quan Jewelry, so I'll tag it here in the comments as well. And now let's put the necklace on. Okay, so here is a close-up of the necklace. It is so pretty, adorable. It's a perfect size. I'm so excited to wear this today. Okay, and here is the final look. It's so cute. It's a perfect size. If you are looking for a cute gift for somebody or just for yourself, definitely go check out her shop, Quan Jewelry. It is so cute. I'm so excited to have this. It also goes with my camera earrings. So yeah, I'm just so in love with this. Go check out Quan Jewelry on the TikTok shop. Like and follow for more videos.